We are on an autocross course here with the new Hyundai Veloster N. I've been autocrossing this pretty much all day, and it's a really impressive car right out of the box. The front differential just claws away at corners. I'm going to be pretty much leaving this in second gear the whole time. Let's show you guys around. Riding out second gear to the red line here. You can really accelerate early out of corners with that front diff. Just destroyed a cone there. There's not a lot of understeer here, but there's also not a lot of oversteer. It's a pretty neutral setup. Brakes feel good. You do have to let off the accelerator though before you hit the brakes, otherwise it just gets a little bit responsive car though. That felt like some real carnage. Okay guys, so a little bit of context before we start our next run. This is the Hyundai Veloster Performance Package. MSRP on that is 29 grand, and you're gonna want the Performance Package because it comes with 275 horsepower, the N Carving Differential, which is a mechanical limited slip diff, but it's controlled electronically. It has a variable exhaust valve system, 19-inch alloy wheels, and bigger brakes that are ventilated so that you can run these things all day on track. All right, let's head back out there. All right, round two, here we go. Lots of torque to pull you out of corners, even at low RPMs. The stock brakes even have a ton of bite. It's really pretty impressive. There's a lot of fun and a lot of performance here. Oh man. I do really like this car a lot. Ahead of us is the Hyundai Elantra GT N line, and it's just a little bit of an upgrade performance-wise from the GT Sport. They've stiffened up the suspension, done a lot of little tweaks here and there, and that's a really nice car too. It comes in a little bit cheaper. You can get it in a dual clutch box. For now, the Veloster N only comes in a manual, and I'm okay with that because it's a really good transmission. You can shift quick. It's fun. It's a nice short shifter. This is a really impressive car. I think really the only thing I don't quite like about it is just the amount of plastic that's in the interior, but once you start driving, all of that just vanishes and you see blurred speed lines. Exhaust sounds fantastic. That's something it really has over the Civic Type R.
40.7.
Oh, really? Again? Wow. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
All right.
He's got the fastest time on the track today.
All right, we're good to go? There you go. All right, guys, so there you go. New Veloster N. A little bit of an autocross hero. Very impressed. And we'll take it out for some track stuff here soon. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you later.